Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to adjust lighting and how to make object glow. And by the way, I'm still working on requested tank model. I really put a lot of effort on the tank model. For real. Anyways, we don't gonna waste a time, let's get started. First, here we go. I have a cube in here. I plot it for our example. Now, click this light and click this point. Let's adjust it a bit so it fits our tutorial properly. There we go. So you see it, this is a normal bright. Every we chose a light. So we can adjust it. Now click on intensity. Once you selected it, you can adjust it any adjust you like. Now you can see the changes right away. But if you are not happy with how bright it is, you can change the range using any number you like. For example, you can set it to 100, like this. Now click the intensity and volume it from high. You see the changes right away. Now we're done teaching how to volume the light. Let's move on to the second part, how to make an object brighter. It's simple. Select this option first. After that, scale it in negative. Here we go. Once you flip it, add a light source and place it inside the object. Now you see, the objects are now glowing. It's so easy how to do. So that's everything. I've shown you how to adjust lighting and how to make object glow in Prisma 3D. This brings us to the end of our tutorial. And I'll see you in the next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye!